Yo, what is up guys? Evetech has just released their new range of blue light filtering gaming glasses. And in this video, we're just going to do a small unboxing. I'm also going to tell you a little bit about these glasses. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so now before I tell you guys a little bit more about these glasses, let's take a look at what's inside the box. So you got your glasses, and then you have your microfiber lens cleaner, which has Evetech's branding on it. You also have a little booklet here, which tells you a little bit more about blue lights and how these glasses can help you guys. You also have your little pouch here for your glasses so that your lenses don't actually get scratched. Okay, so the first thing that you guys need to know about these glasses is they are not prescribed. So if you use prescribed glasses on a day-to-day basis, you will not be able to see with these. Secondly, exposure to blue lights actually decreases the amount of melatonin produced by the body, which makes it quite harder to fall asleep. However, what these glasses do is they filter out the bad blue light, allowing your body to produce the normal amount of melatonin so that you fall asleep easier and quicker despite being exposed to artificial light sources prior. These glasses also reduce eye strain. Now I'm actually going to put these on for the rest of the video just to look a little bit more cooler. Okay guys, now this is very important. Blue light is everywhere around us, so it's actually really important that you take care of your eyes with Evetech's new glasses, which are available right now. Go get yourself a pair. Cheers.